So I'm driving this 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, and this thing is kind of nice. I think I prefer the ride in the Supra a little bit better though. I feel really, really low to the ground in this thing. But it's really cool inside. Like, you can press a button, it pulls up. The cameras in the front. There's a camera in the front, and there's a couple on the side, so you at least know like what you're coming up on. The gauge cluster is really cool. There's a bunch of different modes. Sport, track. I think there was like a custom one. It's like my mode or something like that. Tour, my mode. Yep. The heads-up display is essential. That way you can keep your eyes on the road, not look down at the gauge cluster. Power folding rear view mirrors. Comes with a digital rear view camera, which I love. Removable top. Automatic headlamps, automatic and dual climate control. Look at how this thing is configured. My honest opinion on it, this is definitely not a daily driver. This is something that, like on Sundays or special occasions. Power is there. The handling is not bad, honestly. I like how the paddle shifters sit. And honestly, it's not bad. Your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, has your built-in nav. I guess I have to be going like a slow speed. Okay. The color is nice. This definitely will bring you a lot of attention. No grab handles per se. You just gotta hold on to the wheel. Memory seating. What's that? Got the Bose audio system. Tells you your G's that you're pulling. Slow enough? Nope. Okay. I love the digital rear view cameras. Definitely only a two-seater, so this is not a car for the family. It sounds good. The Super pops more though. Well, I'm pretty sure this would outperform the Super. Hey, that guy never stopped. It's not an uncomfortable ride. I do wish I had more gurgle sounds, so I don't hear the pops. I hear that there's power, but I don't hear the pops. I wonder how this would be on like a long road trip. Seems quiet. I don't hear exterior noise too much. The suspension, the suspension is stiff. You feel the bumps, but it's not. It's not a deal breaker. Honestly, I think I prefer driving the Supra. It's a little bit too flashy for me, I think. So I'm averaging 23 miles an hour. Okay. Do you see it? I don't see a clock on here. Do you see a clock? Oh, 20,000 miles on this thing. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Price tag of $74,000. Is it worth the price tag? Let me know what you think down in the comments below, guys. You guys will see me in the next video.